everybody, I am a huge David Bowie fan, and I think he forged the way for so many contemporary performers. Recently, John Bead sent me their Hot-Fix Rhinestones, and I decided to honor this style hero with a glam rock sparkly tee. The process is really easy, and the only thing that you have to remember is that if you're printing out words, you have to print them in mirror image. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Are you ready to make a concert tee? Let's do this. In 1972, Bowie's extraterrestrial rock star creation, Ziggy Stardust, staged one of the most spectacular live shows to date, expanding the parameters of live rock and single-handedly launching a worldwide glam explosion. Shakespeare invented the word bedazzled. We're pretty sure he also invented the bedazzler, but for some reason no one wants to give him credit. P.S. The word means exactly what you'd expect, shiny and bright. Rock and roll band t-shirts had their origins in the late 1950s via an Elvis fan club. He was among the pioneers who not only defined the genre of rock and roll music, but also concert merchandise. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want some more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you real soon. Bye.